Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? This is Twinkling Star Handbag Living Room. Thanks for your watching. I'm Shen. I will be your host for today's live. Before the beginning, I want to say thank you to all the customers in advance. I'm not sure how many audience is here and how many live show we watch. Anyway, thanks for so much for attention and watch you no matter working at home and always just keep and stay safe. We really appreciate your attention to our company. From my depend heart, it your long time supporting my adventure in other grades. Hope you had enjoyed our live this day. Twinkling Star have 25 years experience in bag in his industry, so we hope we could have opportunity to share our knowledge about bag production, material information, and trendy. Also, some our company development idea for you. Really appreciate your attention to our lives. As the historical fracture, we hope we are not only fracture, we could also provide some idea for you and more creative to develop new designs. So please scan the QR code on your screen to leave your message. We have our own source team and the design team. Also, more 20 team members in our simple room. So it means we would help you to develop your production from our concept even without a working artwork or material industry. Believe you see, I'm new fast. I have joined the Twinkling Star after 2 years before. 2 years, I'm several staff behind the screen. It is my great honor to have this opportunity to preparation in live, become a presenter. I think today I will give you audience to better experience. If you want to know what kind of products I would introduce, to next list go to away, I would also give under last audience to prepare surprise. Just me. Could you please move the camera to take customer to look? Okay, see those design with the show during the Canton Fair. So, pay attention to our live room. Here is the Twinkling Star room. Some collection and show on live this day. If you miss it, please come back to our homepage. There is a link, homepage, more information. You could scan the QR code on your screen to leave your mail or just send a mail to our factory. Okay, we would like to share more information for you. And we have we have arranged our showroom. We have moved in the office last year, so more comfortable office or more convenience. I have video conference in meeting room by the equipment during the virus period. The improved offer area make the staff here could be also more loudly and our company. So you could see our owner is very take care of the staff work feeling and also daily life. They are sincerely blessing of the customer ready in touch me, which is also affirmation of our work. And we like to things for your virus or information screen where they are old friend or new friend. Thanks for your watching, and thanks very much causing us and grabbing with us. Thanks so much. In the meantime, we really appreciate all our dear customer long time supplying. Your supporting make Twinkling Star have the creativity achievement. Please allow us to say thank you. However, it is pretty special this year. Last of the customer all staying at home and hold the business. We are sure your business will pick up in short time. We consider a lot of could help customer to recover in short time. Thank you. Well, we have say women and children are big star markets and the customer, right? The children have go study after the virus. There's no adorable, right? Okay, so if your child have to come back to school, which is item they must have. Yes, we have introduced several serious school bag before we most team of them are designer of the child over 8 years old. I would like to introduce school bag suitable for child between 3 and 6 years old. This series school bag is special designed for this group. Usually, look at this one. Don't carry mama's thing. You carry snakes, picture books, toy, and some things. Is there? Then is there a prince design? Children are fond of cartoon, and the character of small animals. Our backpack in this series are designed to strip on some animals, which is completely left child prefer. Yes, if you were every child on the way to school carry the animal backpacks, we would like to intend to the June. I know you can want to do look this one. I go back this series to use Neoprene. Let me introduce the kind of material. First of all, the back-made materials can be very effective. Produce your bag inside because it is very soft and stiff. see. It can effect prevents weather too fast. Those kind of material made the backpack for the children back in their body very fit. As you can see, this backpack is very thick. Look at this material. Even if attention dropped or screams, it will be minutes the loss of items carrying. Secondly, the kind of material very light, which is not bring great burden or children are easy to carry. We are very confident in design of the bag and appearance will be loved by the children, even if it is used a long time and develop different degree like animal material. And third, it presents the culminate of the dirty, which means it doesn't get dirty early. It's not dirty early. We use it a long time. It doesn't produce green long. It's not very variant collection. It is very safety material for children. The material is also waterproof. So if you attention, if you accidentally drop the water on the bag, you don't worry. Let's focus on a tiger bag in my hand. It's not very expensive. It is very fun zipper bag, which can be found with the child's favorite snack, such as chocolate or cookies. There are two main bags inside. You can put the bottle inside. It's a very fit mess. The intention of the bag of the 220 polyester material is very smooth. The space inside could hold some toys or small picture books. Look at this simple sandwich net is very soft, and the bags are made of this kind of net with pea cotton added. It's very soft. Look, this bag also retains the stick, and the whole bag is very thick, very comfortable. It is look really great. Don't worry, boys. This extension backpack belong you. Look at this design above. I think this bag is very popular with boy or life and girl who loves. You can see very loves sport. It took very. Don't worry. Let's take a look at the main pattern of the bag. Yes, this bag pattern is made a slice screen pattern techniques, which make the printing pattern very clear. You can see. If you look at the battle backpack, it also has a distinct bump of the touch. In addition to the screen printing technology, and all added jumping plastic decoration to our backpack include animals, tendons, and their feet made of the dropping plastics, which make the backpack look realistic. This is the best design we can do. Okay. This is my introduction to our series. If you are a new studio or want to see it again, please come to the package to watch the video. Thanks so much for you watching. If you have any suggestion, any question about our presentation, please scan the QR code and send our message. Hope your topic about animal backpack could help you more question. Anyway, if you missed the live just now, don't worry. After the live's ending, you could more back to our homepage and look back to a live. Okay, if you encounter any problems, please scan the QR code in front of the screen. We will help you hand in hand. Thank you.